Once again.
Hi guys, what's up? Now guys, this video will be a collab with Shania Hilton. Check out her channel. Her name will be somewhere floating somewhere on the screen. And guys, we're gonna do a high top ponytail, all right? And I'm gonna use this here. I have one bundle left of this wonderful 3D body wave hair extensions. I just have one bundle and I hope it works because I don't have any more. I'm just showing you how I'm pulling out my copper. Lord, I'm so afraid of my hair, guys. You wouldn't believe it. So my hair is growing, guys, with my rice water and my sea moss. Video coming soon, okay guys? Can you see this? This is where my hair reach. And we're gonna catch it somewhat in the top. I'm gonna use some of this styling gel. I do an unboxing already. The video is coming soon. And it looks like this. I hope it seems dark. I hope it's not too dark. Now I'm going to catch it a little tighter. If you don't have enough hair on your head, you can add some hair extension. But I'm going to just work with the length I have here with my hair. And I'm going to plait this. You know me not have much edges, but I'm gonna make some baby hair with this got to be glue. I'm gonna apply some of this coconut edge control. I'm gonna go in with the edge control first. Boy, I'm just trying to make some baby hair, but the thing, boy, rough. Then I'm gonna go in with the got to be glue and I'm gonna lay it. Now I'm all done. I'm gonna add a little bit more mousse and then I'm gonna tie it. This is my bundle. I'm gonna start with this part here, the middle, because it's pretty long. And I'm gonna use my hairpin, put it in the middle, and let me flip it over so you can see it. This is my hair, and I'm gonna bend it so it has somewhat thickness. And I'm gonna push this through, straight through the middle. I don't need any glue because I'm gonna wrap it so tight. Let me come sideways so you can see it. I hope you can see it, guys. And the hair is pretty long, guys. Look, I have a lot to go. Let me take off these scarf. Too much. Oof, you come off. I have this amount left. And you just want to continue to wrap it around. When I reach right here, there's no more, it's all done. I'm gonna grab the ends. Make sure you get the two hair ends, okay guys? And I'm just gonna wrap it right around. Now I'm gonna take a little from the back. I'm just gonna add a little bit of got-to-be glue. I did my brows, I put some powder and some highlights, and I did my lips. No foundation. All right, let's get into this next part. All right, let's see these curls. Woo, 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 woo. Ay, ay, ay. What's going on here? We're gonna get rid of this. We don't want these white stuff. You can put some oil sheen and just wipe it out, but I'm gonna go back in with my edge control, and I'm just gonna add a little bit more, and that should kind of do the work, I think. And you can bend it however you want. Maybe I bend it to the front somewhat. And there it is, guys. I'm gonna go in with some oil sheen, and I'm just gonna... And guys, this is it. You just want to play with the curls. And this is how long it is, guys. I want to bring it to my face a little bit. And I choose to wear it to this side, guys. If it can stay here, stay there. Okay, fine. Bring it to the front a little bit. And there you have it, guys. This is the final result. I'm going to play in it all day, so I better leave it alone. Leave this hair alone, child. So guys, this is it. And you can wear it either side. You can wear it on this side as well too, guys. But Jesus, it cock up in the ear. Okay, we better leave this thing. Okay guys, this is the final result. Love upon me and I love upon you. Ooh, it's so cute. And please remember to check out Shanoy's Hilton channel as well, alright? And this is my ponytail updo. Look at my brows, they're on fleek. Yeah. Alright guys, this is it. I like it somewhat into my face or the side of my face. Show you how long it is. This is how long it is. Where is it? This is it. I look so pretty. Bye guys.